Name a former president who you think would look best in a thong.
George Washington.
George Washington. Come on. Name a former president you think look best in a thong.
Bill Clinton.
Bill Clinton. One answer left, Melinda. Give me a former president you think look best in a thong.
Ronald Reagan.
Ronald Reagan. Don't worry about it, Mama. Gonna straighten this all out. We only got one answer left. This grown folk answer right here. We got 2 strikes. McClard family can steal. Former president look best in a thong.
John Fitzgerald Kennedy.
John